while back, we ended up with this great old building just off the square in downtown Kaufman, Texas. Back in 1925, this building started out as Kaufman's first fire department. It later served as police department, jail, and city hall before it had its last job as a senior citizen center. We have big plans to remodel this space for our art and metal shop, where we will make all kinds of cool stuff for our gallery, which will be located around the corner on the square. There's a lot to do, and this is just the beginning. This room used to be a jail cell. As far as we know, Bonnie and Clyde never got booked in here, but they did stay at the hotel on the square, and they did get booked in at the nearby Kemp jail after a failed robbery attempt in Maybank. First thing, we put up Old Glory and started clearing away some brush. This is where we met our first neighbor. We even had a visit from former Mayor Barry, who actually painted the sign in the window. Then we started peeling back the layers. In old buildings like this, you never know what you might find. After many trips to the dump and a few trips to the scrapyard, we were able to move on to other projects, so stay tuned to see what's next. You can follow us at Tony Collins Art on YouTube, X, and Instagram, and also our website, tonycollinsart.com. Bye for now.